In 2015, on June 15th, something very strange happened in Jagannath Temple at Puri. This event made everyone turn their heads and wonder what is happening in this small town in India. Electricity was shut down not only in this temple area but in the entire town of Puri. Why? Because Krishna's heart was being removed from the main idol of Jagannath Temple and was being placed in another idol. No, I don't mean Krishna's heart in a spiritual or mystical way. I mean it physically. Krishna's actual heart is being preserved there. But how can a heart be preserved in original condition for 5,000 years? Because it is a very advanced ancient device. It is not made of flesh and muscle, and people say it can generate power. It starts to vibrate if exposed to light, not just sunlight, any form of light. This is why electricity was shut down. The people who touched this heart had to wear thick, heavy gloves, and they also had to wear blindfolds to make sure they do not lay eyes on it. Of course, all this sounds strange, but it is true, and we may be looking at evidence of a very advanced ancient technology. First, let us look at Krishna's death, which is a mystery by itself. But ancient sources clearly record his death. Around 5,000 years ago, Krishna was killed by a hunter in a forest. This was an accident because the hunter was trying to kill a deer. Krishna dies and his body was cremated. It was ritually burnt. But even though his body was burnt, his heart did not burn at all. When the hunter found it impossible to burn the heart, he gave up and put it on a wooden plank and left it in the river. And it was picked up in the ancient city of Puri. When the king of Puri found it was Krishna's heart, he decided to make an idol and put his heart inside this idol. This idol is the Jagannath idol in the Puri temple. Inside the idol, the heart of Krishna is still there. This heart is called Brahma Padartha or Divya Padartha, which means divine material. But here is the weird part. Almost all main idols in Hindu temples are made of metal or stone. But this idol is made of wood. You know why? Because it is said that Krishna's heart can electrocute you. It gives electrical shocks even today. And this is the reason why Jagannath Temple is not made of metal or stone, because of the high conductivity of electricity. The statue itself looks incredibly strange. It is very different than most other statues of Hindu gods. It has these huge eyeballs with very little other features, and it is a massive statue. And Jagannath means the Lord of the universe. Inside the wooden statue, there is a fist-sized chamber in the center which has a heart. Something else is also strange. The priests have to change the entire idol every 12 years. They have to remove the statue and replace it with a completely new wooden statue. Why? Because the heart slowly damages the wood and weakens the statue. It disintegrates the wood. How does it damage the wood? About 50 years ago, one person is said to have actually seen this heart, and he reported that it was leaking a silvery liquid, which is why these statues get damaged and have to be replaced every 12 years. This clearly shows about ancient technology in those days, which will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.